Now we start exercise 4.3, question number 2. Question number 1. By completing square not in our course, it is removed for the course only for this year. Now question number 2. Find the root of following co-equation by the formula method. Question number 1. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0 is compare with ax square bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 2, b equal to minus 7, c equal to 3. Let alpha and beta be two roots. Alpha equal to minus b plus into square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we put the value of b minus in bracket minus 7 plus square root of minus 7 square minus 4, a equal to 2, c equal to 3 upon 2 into 2. Similarly, beta equal to minus into minus 7 minus square root of minus 7 square minus 4, value of a 2, value of a 3 upon 2 into value of a. Minus into minus plus equal to 7 plus minus 7 square 49, 4 3 ja 12, 2 ja 24, minus 24 upon 2 2 ja 4, minus 7 square root of 7 square 49 minus 24 upon 4. Therefore beta equal to 7 plus square root of 25 upon 4. Therefore alpha equal to 7 plus square root of 25 5 upon 4. 7 plus 5 12 upon 4. 4 1 ja 4 3 ja 12. Alpha equal to 3. Now beta equal to minus 7 minus square root of 25 upon 4. 7 minus 25 square root of 25 5 upon 4. 7 minus 5 तो 2, 2 upon 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore root of equation are 1 upon 2 and 3 answer. Now we start the second question. 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. This is equation. Start the solution. 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0 is compared with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a equal to 2, b equal to 1, c equal to minus 4. Let alpha and beta be two roots. So alpha equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac. Beta equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Value of beta minus 1, 1 square minus 4, 2 into minus 4 upon 2 into 2. Value of b 1 minus b square 1 square, 4 into value of a 2, value of c minus 4 upon 2 into 2 equal to minus 1 plus root of 1 a minus and minus plus 4 4 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32 upon 2 2 ja 4 equal to minus 1 minus square root of 1 plus 32 upon 4. Alpha equal to minus b plus root 33 upon 4. Beta equal to minus 1 minus root 33 upon 4. Therefore, roots of equations are minus 1 plus or minus square root of 33 upon 4. This is the answer. Thank you.